Hello, I am Robert Lucas and I am here today to speak to you about a fantastic project Purplex Lighting Solutions have been involved in. Atlas Packaging is based in Barnstaple, North Devon. They are a UK-based corrugated cardboard specialist. They have in-house award-winning structural and graphic design teams and of course a state-of-the-art production facility. Within their main production and warehouse facility, they had in excess of 105 4x55 watt T5 linear fluorescent low bay light fittings. Over the years, these fittings have begun to degrade with a seemingly constant changing of lamps and component parts, such as drivers and lamp holders. The light levels in these areas were also lower than the current standards expected of such a fine facility. So Purplex Lighting Solutions were called in to look at the lighting in all its facets. It became obvious that by changing these fittings to an LED, not only could we improve the lighting, but that we could also offer substantial energy savings, as well as massively improved ongoing maintenance costs. The fitting we settled on was the Venture Lighting Hyskeir Pro 2 High Bay, with a wide optic for better lighting distribution at the heights we had to utilise. This fitting has many plus points, including an IK08 cover, that's good protection against being hit, cold forged aluminium heatsink, Samsung LEDs, and a quality driver to back up its 5-year warranty. The new and improved version of this fitting also has a 20% smaller heatsink profile, which helps towards the packaging volume for the product being reduced by around 40%. And of course they use fully recycled cardboard. Importantly, the new product would also be IP65 rated, which means it is a well-sealed unit with very good protection against water and, most importantly in this environment, dust ingress. Interestingly, the existing fittings were not of a higher IP rating, that's ingress protection, and therefore would need more regular cleaning, particularly the lamps, in order to maintain outputs. With the fitting chosen, a comprehensive lighting proposal was prepared and put forward to the client, who was extremely happy with a well under 2-year payback period and massively reduced energy usage, as well as the increased light levels. A full lighting specification was put together with our in-house lighting engineers, designing a new lighting layout to comply with existing SIBSI and SLL guides. This enabled the client to check they were going to get what they needed for their manufacturing process. A fantastic installation then took place by Mac Cameron Electrical in North Devon, well within the timeframes needed for such a factory that is in constant use. Atlas Packaging can now look forward to lower energy usage and less maintenance costs for a brighter and more sustainable future. If you have a factory or any other lighting inquiry, send us your inquiry today to info@purplex.co.uk and start your lighting journey with Purplex Lighting Solutions. Remember to click like and follow our YouTube channel for more informative videos and exclusive content. Thank you.